You want me to set the fog machines up for the video, John?
Sure.
Yeah.
2 quart injection. Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of mkce254. It's a 1989 Chevrolet C4 Corvette. Beautiful red on red.
You want me to set the fog machines up for the video, John?
Sure.
Yes.
2 quart injection car. This thing has a very, very low 26,000 miles on it. If you guys are catching this on the GoPro here, the condition is amazing. Beautiful set of 4 saw blade wheels for sale. Actually, I think those might be salad shooters. C4 guys, if I messed that up, let me know. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's step inside, fire this up. I will open up the hood, take a look at her. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Nice red interior. We're going to be selling every single piece of this interior. I just know how hard this stuff is to get. Look at that. Fires right up. Two-port motor will be sold complete with the accessories and the ECU. Swap it, put it in your C4, do whatever you want with it. I know how hard these are to find, and this girl runs like a top. Very clean. Put this hood down. All right, let's step inside and test some parts. Put that right there for him. Got to slide on into this girl. 24,279 miles. Power windows are working well, that cluster. Coolant temp is low. Our volts, oil temp, everything works. Making 50 pounds of oil pressure. Man, this thing was sweet. Kind of want this. Tape player has been tested, but none of the speakers are working in this car, so we can't really prove that it makes any sound. Tilt columns, tiny bit of play. I bet you the bolts can be tightened and get rid of that. That's pretty tight. That might just be the 89 GM build quality. That's a nice tight column. Absolutely beautiful dashboard in this car. Going to be listed for sale as well. The bread box, whatever you call it over here, minty fresh, guys. Testing door mirrors. Well, something might be up with that mirror over there. Seats all work. All the power motors, I'm testing them right now. Climate control. Actually, the air still blows in this thing. Cooling fans just kicked on. Cold air is coming out. Let's test the wipers. Working well. Go ahead and test out the transmission. This car took some sort of a weird undercarriage hit, so the right rear suspension is really messed up, but I think we can still move it. Yeah, she'll still drive. Bent control arm or something. Let's test those headlights though. Yep, they both pop perfectly. Fog lights work. All right, they went right back down. Here's the fun part. I've always wanted one of these cars, but I'm gonna look like just an old fat man getting out of it. Oh, not tall, big boy friendly. Yeah, like I said, everything you guys see on this car will be listed for sale. We're gonna be selling this front bumper loaded with the lights, set of 4 wheels. Hood's got some damage on it on this side, so we are not gonna be able to list it. Lower fenders, door trims, really everything. Every piece of this car is probably gonna be listed for sale. It is that clean. That is gonna wrap it up for mkce254. I do need to test that power antenna though. Look at that. Power antenna fully tested on a C4. This is a nice one, guys. All right, enough rambling. That was mkce254, our 1989 Chevrolet C4 Corvette. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this vehicle, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.